Hyperfont lets you create lettering from TrueType fonts found in your Windows system on your computer. These are different from the fonts found in the lettering portion of Embroidery Studio. TrueType fonts are images of letters in the Windows system available to all programs for typing. Embroidery Studio can take these fonts and convert them automatically into embroidery letter styles. To get started, click on the Create menu and click on Hyperfont. Then click Next. Type in the text you want to create. Click on Select to choose your font. Select the TrueType font you would like to use. You can also choose the styling of the font, such as bold or italics. Once you have selected your font, click OK. Click Next to move to the next section. This section allows you to choose how your letters will be filled. You can choose between fill stitch and column stitch. Fill stitch has all stitches go in the same direction and works better with larger letters, typically 1.5 inches or more. With satin column, the stitches have variable angles like traditional lettering and works better for letter sizes of less than 1.5 inches. Click Finish to continue. Embroidery Studio creates the outlines of the letters and places them in a wireframe inside the lettering part of the program. From here you can resize the wireframe or adjust the letter height or spacing from the top toolbar, or make any changes just as you could with any normal lettering. See the section on lettering for more details on creating lettering in Embroidery Studio. When you have the lettering how you want it, right-click and click on Stitch It to fill the letters with stitches.